In this short tutorial, you will learn how to unfriend someone on Facebook. Sometimes, you might want to remove someone from your friends list for various reasons. It could be because you no longer keep in touch or just want a smaller friend list. Whatever the reason, it is easy to do. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile app. Once the app is open, look at the bottom of your screen for the Friends tab. Tap on that icon to proceed. Look for a button labeled Your Friends, and tap on it. This will take you directly to your complete friend list. Now that you're in your friends list, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in the name of the person you wish to unfriend. Once you've entered their name, select them from the search results that appear below. You will now be directed to their Facebook profile page. Here, you'll notice a button that says, Friends. This confirms that you currently have them added as a friend. To unfriend this person, simply tap on that button. A menu will pop up with several options regarding this friendship. From this menu, select Unfriend. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure about this decision. To proceed with unfriending them, tap OK. You should now see an Add Friend button instead of Friends, indicating that you have successfully unfriended this person. And there you have it. You've just learned how to unfriend someone on Facebook in just a few easy steps. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.